welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rosielynn and I make cleaning, homemaking, mom motivating content every Friday, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a video. In today's video, we are going to be doing some extreme cleaning, laundry motivation, as well as updating our home. We're going to start off in our daughter's bathroom. We're going to be switching out this 20-year-old faucet with a new faucet fixture. I am so excited because this looked so bad and it really needed some love in here. It's also going to give it a more updated of a look. I was really blown away at how this looked when we did remove the sink. It was really dirty, very stained, very yellow. I am going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's spray cleaner and a little bit of the Kaboom to get everything off. I was really blown away by how much mildew, grime, mold, all the nasties was in this. It really just took me back. The stench was so bad. I'm thankful that the Mrs. Meyer's smelled really good because it really did help with cleaning this because it was really, really bad. So we're going to be placing in this new faucet fixture. This is from Wayfair. We got it for a really good price. One thing I love about this is the center is a pop-in, and I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day decorate with me video, and you'll see a final Valentine's Day decoration in here. So moving on to our master bath, we are going to be switching out these fixtures as well. And one thing we noticed is this one on the left side is actually a newer faucet than the one right here. This one's actually a lot older, and this was a little bit more challenging. My husband, he wouldn't have been here, you guys, I definitely couldn't have done this by myself. He is the bread and butter behind all of this because look at this. Oh my God. You guys, this is just disgusting. I cannot believe that is in there. So if you need to clean out your sink faucet, pull that bad boy out because there will be mold and grime, or just put baking soda or vinegar down there to try and clean it because I am appalled. One thing that we noticed though is when we were taking off the handles, the bottom of it was it had stained the counter really bad yellow, if you can kind of see it right here when we're installing the new one. So we used a scour stick to gently lift that color. You need to be very careful when you do this because you don't want to scratch your surface. My husband is really well with all of this stuff, so thankfully he was able to install and do all this for me. So thank you so much, honey, if you're watching this. I truly appreciate it. I'm going to be going in with my Dyson, vacuuming up everything, wiping everything down, and this is the finished look, you guys. Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10. I am so happy. It gave it more of an updated look. It made the counters, which are a beige color, made it look more white, and I'm overall so happy. Let me know what you guys think about how they turned out, your thoughts. Do you like it? Was this a great change for the restrooms? Let me know. I'd love to hear your feelings and your feedback in the comments below.
I've done my part, can't change my heart. Hold me until the night turns into dawn. Hold me, I won't forget those loving nights.
How are you guys doing? How was your week? What are you guys up to? Are you a mom too? I want to get to know you guys a little bit better. I'm a mom. I have 3 little ones. I have a 5-year-old who's in kindergarten. I have my 3-year-old here who's Cleo. She's almost 4. And then I have DJ who's 2. I feel like one thing we can struggle as moms and homemakers is getting burnt out with those same repetitive tasks that we do every day as a mom, feeling like things never stay clean, or just feeling like you can never feel accomplished because you have to always keep going like on a hamster wheel. This mess will not always be here, and I've been trying to change my perspective into thinking that these messes are memories for my kids. This is their home where they get to play and have a mess, obviously like to learn to clean it, but not be so hard on the things that I am hard on myself about, like if the house isn't perfect or if all the toys aren't put away or just like the crumbs. I'm really just trying to remind myself that these days are numbered and they are not guaranteed. So here's my plants. Since I went on a little rant, I love my plants. I really started collecting them about 3 or 4 years ago now, and I've just really been loving to grow that plant collection. I'm not really super knowledgeable about them, but I do love them and I do give them love and they're thriving, so that makes me happy. I'm going to be folding up some blankies and making the couch look cute. This also is from Wayfair, you guys. I'm telling you, Wayfair has just been coming through with the deals for me and our family. So I'm just gonna be, dressing on my couch, making it look cute. I'm not a professional, I'm just a tired mom. So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna shift and do some laundry. We're gonna be cleaning up the kitchen. We go all around today in today's video, so definitely a lot of motivation. Let me know what you guys are up to, what you're doing. I just wanna chit chat and get to know you better as I share our journey with you. I brought in this cute little table that we've always had outside. It's been raining and really cold here, but I really wanted to bring this in for my 2-year-old DJ and just for the girls to sit and play with. She's a little too small still for the chairs at the table, but she doesn't always want to be in her high chair, so I feel like this will give her like a little bit of a fun activity in the kitchen just to get used to like sitting at the table without falling or anything. So putting this out there, wiping it down, and Cleo wanted to help me, so you'll see here in a little bit. She's scrubbing everything down, and this was pretty dirty. There were like spider webs, and I do not like spiders, you guys. I was trying really hard. I don't know why, but spiders like to come out when my husband's never home. So we're going to spray this down. There's some chalk on it. The spray didn't work out so well, so I needed to use something more powerful, so I got my Dawn dish soap. She's a ride or die right there, let me tell you. And so we're just going to scrub. Me and Cleo, we're just going to scrub away. And we're going to clean this up. And then we're going to move on to some dishes. I did switch out my sponges, so I'm just going to be doing a new bottle brush. When I asked Alexa, it's around every 3 weeks you're supposed to be switching out your bottle brush. And the Scrub Daddy sponges, I love the Dish Daddy sponges. I know I told you guys this about it in the last video, but hear me out here, okay? So the Scrub Daddy dish refills, you can get a 2-pack for $3.99. It's the cute little one that's sitting on my little sink faucet right there. And then if you buy the big size normal Scrub Daddy sponge, those are $3.89. So you're literally paying 10 cents more and you get 2 of the mini ones, which is like so cute. And for me, it's perfect. So I like to switch out my sponge. You can also throw it in the dishwasher though too, you guys. But right now I am going to be wiping down these blinds because they get so dirty and I dread doing this, but I couldn't take it no more. And I was like, if I do not wipe these blinds down, someone's going to comment like, girl, get it together. Anyways. Look how cute this is. This was a TJ Maxx find. I know that's super basic, but it was too cute to not bring home with me. So we're going to be doing some laundry, throwing this in. I also added the water to my vinegar. So I guess you guys, when you put it in your washer, you need to have it diluted. So I have a really awesome subscriber. Her name is Thorns, and she mentioned this to me in one of my last videos, and thank you so much, because now I do this and I do see a difference. So thank you. I absolutely love it. It works out so good, and I love vinegar with my laundry. If you guys haven't tried it yet, let me know. It is amazing.
Body slow, you got something on your mind. I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
It is the next morning, and I want to share with you guys my bed. Look how cute. This is the Love Pillow from Costco. I got it last year, and I thought it was perfect fitting for Valentine's Day season. We're going to be starting off with another load of laundry. We're going to be cleaning up my daughter's room. We're going to be reorganizing her laundry drawers and just doing a lot of laundry motivation.
Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
I'm going to be hanging all the shirts, and we're going to organize them in her closet, as well as put away all the long sleeves, and then do some of the hoodies and jackets that I have off to the side. went in and tried to color coordinate as much as possible. So we're heading back in the laundry room. I really cannot thank these machines enough. I am so grateful to have a washer and dryer because with a big family, I cannot fathom having to do this by hand. I can't. I feel so grateful. We're going to be adding some OxyClean into my cute little laundry service container that I got from Walmart last year. I absolutely love this, you guys. It is amazing. It always smells so good, and I don't know how bad it is for you, and I don't want to check because I really love it. I haven't scanned it. I use the Yucca app for everything, and it works really well with telling you how well the product is or how well it isn't, but just throwing in another load, and then we're going to take laundry out of the dryer after it's done and getting all this laundry put away and giving you that motivation to get it done.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
When you feel so tired and so burnt out and just so drained, don't forget who you keep pushing forward for. Your little ones, you are their world, and everything you do is for them. So don't forget that you are a supersonic mom and you got this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon in a new video. Bye.
Express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming